This is a video report of our lab experiment 3. We had to analyze the statistical features of 3 audio samples, and using this analysis we had to predict a new signal and classify it in these 3 classes. So firstly we have taken 30 minutes audio sample, divided it into 1800 parts, that is 1800 1 second parts, have measured the standard deviation for each of this 1 second and then stored it in a Excel sheet. I have used percentile versus value plot to analyze or visualize this distribution. For example, for standard deviation, I have got this percentile versus X plot, and in this we are able to see in which intervals they are concentrated, and by this I have given the intervals to get a maximum accuracy. Then I have used a confusion matrix to show the predicted class and the actual class. I have used a if decision control for classifying the 30 minutes of learning data that we got and predicting it, and also I use this algorithm on the other 30 minutes data and found the confusion matrix for both of this data. So the first confusion matrix that I got is this, and the second confusion matrix, that is for the learning data, I have got this. That means our algorithm is able to predict 1053 fan signals as fan signals, and it is able to predict 719 fan signals as rain, and it is predicting 28 fan signals as speech signal. So here the diagonal elements tell you how many of these signals are correctly predicted, and by this we can also measure the accuracy, that is divide the diagonal entries by 1800. So I have done this for 3 other features like mean, and for mean I have got a percentile versus X plot like this. As you can see, one is becoming a super class, like these 2 signals are becoming subintervals in this class. So I have neglected this portion because this is very small portion, and this I have taken 70% of this values, and then the other portion as another signal. So the confusion matrix for this is as follows. So this is for the learning data, and for the test data have got this matrix. And next we were asked to make a GUI to be able to select the feature and to select the test data or the learning data and provide the confusion matrix for it. So this is how I made it. This table shows the confusion matrix for each of the feature using guide. In this I have used a guide to arrange this table. I'm able to, and this confusion matrix tells the actual class and the predicted class. That means the rows of the confusion matrix are the instances of predicted class, and the columns of a confusion matrix are the instances of actual class. So these are the confusion matrices that are displayed. For cortices, the test data I have taken and the confusion matrix is this. I have ran some of the other matrices for other matrices also, and this is a confusion matrix that I have got. Thank you.